Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a very highly requested video. This video has been requested for the very longest and it's finally out. I do hope you guys enjoy this video and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it. First off, I start off by using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer and I'm in shade Chocolate. Then I like to brush my eyebrows. Once that's done, I like to start by outlining the bottom of my eyebrow. Right here I'm just making sure that the product is well blended, so I like to brush it. Then I'll be doing the same thing to the next eyebrow by outlining the bottom of my eyebrow. Right here, I'll just be doing the same thing I did to the bottom. I'll be doing it to the top now. So I'll be slightly outlining the top of my eyebrow. Here I'm just going to start shading in my eyebrow. So slightly shade in. Yes, girl, shade it in. What I like to do is not shade in the very front part of my eyebrow. So what I just do is go over with the brush so the product that's on the brush stays there. Here comes the fun part. So now I'll be using this concealer to conceal my eyebrows. And I'm in shade medium light. Then I'll be taking this old brush to conceal the bottom of my eyebrows. I like to start in the very front part of my eyebrow. So I start at the front and make my way all the way down to the very end of my eyebrow. I like to do this very slow because this is what really makes the eyebrow look good. Next, I'll be using this really old brush. This brush is from Bella Cosmetics, and I'll be using this brush to just really blend the concealer out. I really do apologize for this messy hair. I was just really trying to film this video for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. So what you do to the bottom, you'll do to the top. So now I'll be concealing the top of my eyebrow. So I just keep outlining it. Oops, I messed up. But that's fine. We're just going to go back and fix that. So going back to the part where I messed up, right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go over with the pencil, just really slightly. And boom, it's all fixed. So I'm done with the first eyebrow. This was the outcome of the first eyebrow. So now I'm just going to move on to the second eyebrow, and I'll be doing exactly the same thing. So now that I'm all done with both of my eyebrows, I'm just going to go back and shade some of the parts that are missing, because as y'all could tell, the right eyebrow is a little bit more darker than the other one. So I'm just going to try to make everything even as possible. So right here I continue to do the same thing, and just please keep in mind that your eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters, so it's okay if they don't look exactly the same, just like mine. Mine looks a little bit more arched, but that's just how my eyebrow is. And the lighting, it made it look a little bit more darker, but that's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial, and thanks for watching.